Hello, magandang araw sa inyo, and this is Ems of Pinoy Desk, helping to change how the world works. Thank you pala kay Jay Decano for doing this revision sa logo kasi mas malapit yung logo niya sa Odesk logo and mas sharp, no? Anyway, this video we will tackle about application letters or cover letters. So, medyo important siya kasi siya yung unang-unang way para magkaroon ka ng job. So, you need to apply for you to have a job sa Odesk or any other outsourcing online na website, di ba? So, what I did is I created a job, a fake job, just for study purposes, and let's see how do other providers do, di ba? Kung sumunod ba sila or hindi. And here, I did the fake job. I did put in the title Filipino Data Entry Provider. Okay, so sa cover letter ko ng job, so the job description is, hi, we are looking for Filipino providers for our works. Okay, this will be simple web blogging. Newbies are welcome to join. Requirements: Filipino and can work on flexible schedule, willing to be trained. And to apply, you must tell us your best traits. Ito nyo yan. To apply, tell us your best traits. Okay? No recycled cover letters. Recycled cover letters equals rejection of application. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, pag sinabing recycled cover letters or spam covered letters, yun yung mga copy-paste. Yun yung bago kayo nagsimula sa Odesk, gumawa na kayo ng application letter, kasi ka-copy-paste nyo na lang. So, yun. We are looking forward to have you on our team. To apply, put in the word Ridge View on your first line. So, that is simple instructions again. Kadalasan yung ginagawa para makita kung nagbasa ka ng instructions or not. Para malaman, yung isang way yun agad para malaman kung spam covered letter ka or hindi. Okay? So, let's see, mga applicants. In a matter of, I think, 5 hours or 3 hours since ginawa ko tong job na to, there are already 39 applicants. So, imagine that. Ganon karami. 39 applicants. First applicant, una pa lang, jackpot na. Ang first line niya is, Dear Sir, Ma'am, I would like to express my interest in the data entry position in your company. Kung babasahin ko siya lahat, I can't even see a word that will say Ridge View. Wala. So, simple instructions, hindi niya na-follow. So, wala. Reject application. Next application, we have one. Oh, she says Ridgeview. So, siguro nagbasa siya ng application. But, the cover letter indicates that, hi, I am 23 years old, graduate from private course. I am also a single mother of 18 months old boy. Hindi siya pinagtatawanan ko to. But, guys, it may help. Siguro makatulong na sabihin mo yung status mo sa buyer. But, not all the time. Kasi, ang sabi sa instructions is to pin out your best traits. Not to pinpoint kung ano yung lagay mo sa buhay ngayon. Diba? So, dapat inuna mo yun na kung ano yung best traits mo, di ba? Anyway, eto, may isang cover letter na ako nabasa kanina, which is good. I don't know if copy-paste niya to, pero I think bago niya to i-copy-paste, niya muna, in-edit man lang niya konti. Kung copy-paste man to, this is a good example of copy-paste cover letter kasi hindi halata. Okay? Her cover letter is as follows. Ridgeview, so she follows instructions. Hi, I possess 3 years of experience in data entry. I have experience with a wide range of data encoding through working experiences and full-time employment. I can type 50 to 60 words per minute accurately and also follow instructions. I have demonstrated excellent people skills in addition to strong writing and analytical skills. I believe my education, skills, and experiences fit your requirements, and I am confident that my skills would be an asset to your company. I'm currently available 40 hours a week. Can be reached online through Yahoo Messenger. Can be talked with you anytime that's convenient to you. So, Please contact me to set up a time. I look forward to hear from you soon. So, ito, very short, hindi naman siya very short, pero hindi siya telenovela, hindi siya novela. And she follows the instructions, and she pinpoints her best traits. Okay? But, dito kasi, I think medyo may experience na siya sa Odesk because she has already 8 feedbacks and 159 hours. So, experience na to sa Odesk. Unlike the first two na yung example ko, na medyo isa is 0 hours without feedbacks pa. Yung isa naman has 6 hours with 2 feedbacks. So medyo mga beginners pa sila. So mga medyo newbie pa sila. Kaya siguro ganon na cover letter nila is ganon pa. You can pinpoint more. Maraming may reach view. Kaya lang like this. Meron ako nakita kanina eh. Eto, isa pa itong good application letter pala. Pero parang sobrang shortcut naman. Pero okay lang. Ang cover letter niya is Rich View. Hello sir, I believe I possess those qualities that you have been looking for. I'm very hardworking and willing to be trained. I can assure you that you won't regret it if you hire me. Thank you for your kind consideration. Blah blah blah. So guys, ito astig. Simple pero halatang binasa yung cover letter. I might consider his application kasi na-follow siya ng instructions eh. Medyo kulang lang ng konting details pero pwedeng i-consider. Okay. And again, mukha na naman siyang may experience na sa Odesk kasi may 72 hours na siya. Anyway. Yung nabasa na ako kanina eh. Ito. This is very spam. Very nakakatawa. Ang application letter niya is, kaya ko yan. Pasok niyo ako. Hehehe. Diba? So, medyo nakakaloko. And, kaya ayun. Anyway. So, marami pang klase ng application letter. Meron namang iba na, hindi ko makita na kasi. Meron kasing iba may nakasulat ng Ridge View. Sobrang haba naman yung kasunod. Meron naman tong isa, nakasulat niya, Ridge View lang. So, anong babasahin ko? And, guys, kapag ganitong data entry, I suggest siguro, wala akong data entry job, isa lang, and hindi ko pa siya i-consider na data entry. Sa ganitong data entry job, siguro mas maganda kung short lang, kasi maraming applicant sa data entry. So, kung ako ang buyer, I won't waste time reading application letters na sobrang hahaba. Mas gugustuhin ko pang basahin yung simple, maikli, pero direct to the point. So, yun. And always read the cover letter ng job description, yung hinahanap ng buyer. Kasi may mga instructions na nakatago dun. Diba? So, if you don't follow that instructions, wala na. So, sayang. Okay? Tapos, actually, meron pa akong ibang job na ginawa. So, hindi ko to ginawa para asarin kayo doon sa mga applicants na sayang yung quota. This is for the good of others naman eh. So, this is for instructional purposes lang. Nabura ko na yata. Pero there is one who applied sa video editing na ang profession niya is data entry. Nasaan na ba yun? Nawala eh. Anyway, so, wag ganun guys. Okay, so, hindi. Dito ko siya nilagay sa, naghahanap kasi ako PLDT sales agent sa Manila area. And, may nag-apply, and he's from Iloilo. Halatang hindi sobrang spam letters. Wag lang apply guys. Sayang quota. Kailangan sure kayo na yung ina-applyan nyo is okay talaga sa inyo or fit talaga para sa inyo. Okay? So, post tayo ng example kung paano ako mag-apply. Okay? Yun to.